What's up, good people? This is Anthony Deloach, and I'm back with another crypto investing review and tutorial. And today, guys, I'm bringing you something brand new. And I think you guys are going to like this one because I'm loving it. Now, it's brand new, guys. Look, I know it's rare that I bring new stuff to the channel, but I got introduced to this and it's so simple and duplicatable that I think it can help a lot of people win. Now, can't give any guarantees, of course, but I want you guys to check out all the information. Now, before I jump right into it, I do want you to go ahead and like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every time that I drop a new crypto investing review or tutorial. Let's get right into it. Do y'all see the screen? I actually like the way this website looks. When I first saw this, I was really intrigued by the way it looks. Now, you guys know that artificial intelligence is the big talk of the time right now. People are talking about chat GPT and all of this other stuff. But when I looked at the white paper for this project, I got really excited because they're using GPT AI technology for trading in the stock market. Now, if that doesn't intrigue you, I don't know what in the world is going on. At least that's what they're telling us. That's what the white paper says. And so far, this thing has been absolutely phenomenal, right? And I love the way that they have this all set up. Man, it is incredible. So let's go in and let's look at some of the details of why your boy is so excited. You're probably saying, Anthony, you like too excited about this thing. But when you see the results, you're going to be like, Anthony, I see why you're excited. Let me get some of that. Now, I got to tell you guys, I'm not a financial advisor. I do not give financial advice. Nothing in this video should be considered financial advice. We want you to do your own due diligence and make your own decisions. But let's go ahead and look at this information, guys. So I'm looking at this white paper. And I was looking at it's leveraging the power of artificial intelligence to develop trading tools of exceptional precision. Doesn't that sound sexy, guys? But look, here's what I want to tell you guys that it really excited me right now. When they talked about the GPT architecture, right? And they dubbed this as the Quopi AI Trader. Now, this bot is designed to operate on the New York Stock Exchange. Yes, this is not operating in the cryptocurrency market right now, but the New York Stock Exchange, and uses a combination of natural language processing techniques and technical indicators to make trading decisions. Guys, do you see exactly what I'm talking about? Now, I'm not going to read through this entire white paper right here, but when I saw this and I read through this white paper for myself, I said, man, this could be revolutionary if they work this out, right? So they're using artificial intelligence and machine learning, right, to actually trade in the New York Stock Exchange. This is going to be better than any human intelligence right here if they get this to work exactly how it's supposed to. And they've been consistently updating the platform to make it better and better. We could go in with crypto and out with crypto, which makes it even better, right? So I love this. Now, they go into some of the cultural context and all that stuff. Like I said, go to the website, look at the white paper. You don't even have to sign up to look at the white paper for yourself if you want to check that out, right? So I want to go in and show you guys what the results have been like with this. Because once you see these results, I believe everybody is going to be super duper excited. Let me pause this for a second so I can get logged in here. All right, guys, I am all logged in here. This thing right here, man, let me show you some of the results right here. I love the way that this back office looks. It's very simple, right? Because one of the things I believe is simplicity is the key to duplication, right? So if you want to help other people get started with this, have something that's very simple, and they've created a interface that's simple for anybody to use, okay? Now, I want you guys to see this. The results really quick, right? So I'm gonna go over here, look at this. This was yesterday's results. So this is 1.41%, which I believe is amazing for a day. Now, if you made this in a week, that would be wonderful. But 1.41% in a day in the trading markets, that's powerful. But what have the other days look like? Let's go in and look at the trading history, guys. So we had 1.41% on the 15th. Right, on that Friday, because it's only Monday through Friday. Last Friday was 1.23%, right? And if let's go back, then we had 2.33% on the 11th. Then we had 4.58% in one day. Imagine getting 4.58% on your money on one day. That was on the 10th. Then we have 1.59% on the 9th, 1.68% on the 8th. You guys are getting the gist. On the 5th, it was 2.89%. On the 4th, it was 2.12%. On the third, it was 1.80%. Do you see with results like this? This thing could be an absolute game changer for you financially, right? So this is incredible. Now, somebody's probably sitting there wondering, like, well, look, how risky is it? I don't know. First of all, it's not a totally decentralized project. So it is here on the website. So there is some inherent risk to this project, right? But here's the thing, you can mitigate the risk how you want to. Once you receive your funds back, then we always say get on what we call house money as soon as possible. Earn your initial capital back as soon as you can, withdraw that, and then you're on house money, guys. Mitigate your risk as much as you can. And as always, we always say this, right? But I know everybody doesn't listen, but only put in what you can afford to risk. And this platform makes it easy for you to do that because you can get involved with only $10. As little as $10, you can get started with this platform. Right now, you can choose which cryptocurrency you want to deposit with. You can deposit with Bitcoin. You can deposit with USDT. That's what I use. You can deposit BNB, or you can deposit Litecoin. You choose the one that you want to get started with, and you can deposit, and then you can stake with that. So the way this works is that you do come in and you make your deposit, and then you stake the amount that you want to stake for trading. All right. And you're going to earn a percentage off of that every day, Monday through Friday. It does not pay out. It does not trade on the weekends. It tells you how long it's actively trading just during the time of the New York Stock Exchange here. It's from 9:30 to 4 p.m. Eastern time, from 9:30 to 4 p.m. Eastern time. And then you will see what your results are. It shows you here the results and what was traded. If you want to go in and look at the full day, you can actually go in and it'll tell you the results here. If you want to look at the charts, even, you can click here. It'll take you to Trading View so you can actually look at the charts. Okay. Now it's taking me to this so I can sign in for the thing. I'm gonna just continue as Anthony. Confirm. Let me see if it blocked a pop-up for me. Let me see. Let's see if it'll let me. It may not let me actually go in and look at that, but yeah, you can go in and look at the trading charts. It's just Trading View acting up for me. That's the only thing. But you go in here, you can actually look at this, look at the charts, all of that type of stuff, so you can see exactly what happens here, right? So that is the Quopi trader here. You can go in and look at this. Whatever you deposit, I do want to let you guys know this. Whatever you deposit with, you're going to be paid in. So if you start with a USDT, I did USDT TRC20, and I deposited in with that. So it pays me out in USDT TRC20. If you deposit with Bitcoin, it's going to pay you out in Bitcoin. Same thing with BNB and Litecoin. So just wanted to make sure you guys are aware of that. Now, this is how you get started. It's so simple, right? So when you sign up, you get the link, right? And I have a link that'll be in the description of this video. So you get the link, you actually sign up with the link, and then you're going to just put in your basic demographic information. You know how that works, name, you know how that works, just your email address and that type of stuff, right? So you go ahead and put that in, and then there's no KYC process or anything like that. So then you're going to go over here to manage. When you click on this middle, it's going to say stake funds, right? So you go in here, you click on this stake funds, and then it's going to ask you to create a stake. You're going to select the cryptocurrency that you want to stake with, and you can stake with either one of these. So I'm just going to use the Tether TRC20, and then you can choose your fund source. Are you going to choose your inner wallet? So right now I could go in and use my platform balance, which it shows that I have a platform balance for the USDT TRC20 of $204 in here. I could actually perform a stake from that. Now, if you don't have anything in your platform balance, and when you first start, you won't have anything in your platform balance, you can actually start with the outer wallet. That means that you're going to fund from an outside wallet. You would actually type in the amount that you want to stake or you want to fund with. And let's say if that's 10, right? You could do $10, or you could do, let's say I started with 500 was my initial stake. So you can start with 500. And then you have the choice to automatically restake your funds at the end of the staking period, which is 30 days. Each staking period is 30 days. You can automatically restake your funds at the end of the 30 days so you can keep earning, or you can uncheck this and you can decide what you want to do at that time, right? And so you don't have to restake it. So that's up to you how you want to do that. But you could go in, do this, and then you click stake on the Quopi Trader. And then what is going to happen is going to give you a payment address and a QR code that sends your funds over to. It takes a little while for your after some confirmations, it's going to actually show up in your wallet. Once it's showing up in your wallet, you're good to go in and stake to go ahead and be started. And then what happens is your deposit sits there and it's going to start trading for you the next trading day, and you're going to start seeing results then, right? And like I said, the results 4 p.m. Eastern time, they'll show you the results. It actually pays you out according to the time that you actually started with Quopi. So that's how that actually works there, right? So that's incredible, guys. So you can actually go ahead and get started with this if you want to try this out. There's a lot of information here, so you can actually go in and look at some frequently asked questions and things like that if you want to, just so you can see all about this platform. Okay, so there's a menu bar over here where you can go in and look at the different things. So you got your transactions, you can look at that, your active stakes, because you can have as many stakes as you want. You can have more than one active stake in here. So I've went back in and done additional stakes. I'm going to do an additional stake today. So that's available for you as well. You can actually go over to the retail site here and look at information as well. This is just going back out so you can see from the outside. There's a FAQ here, and you can look at all of the FAQs here. How does it work? And what markets that it trade? All of these things. So you can look at all of this functionality here if you want to check this thing out as well, guys. So that's the information on Quopi AI. So far, I am really loving this platform. And every day it just continues to perform wonderfully. So we'll see how long this thing continues to do this. My hope is this will be around for a long time, so we can really take advantage of the full benefit of having a program like this. GPT AI technology is the future. It's not just the future, it's right now. It's what people are really taking advantage of right now. And if we could take advantage of that technology to make money, I'm all for it, right? As always, guys, you know what we're going to do. We're going to invest wisely. We're going to invest well. We will only invest what we're willing to lose. But you know we're investing for the opportunity to win. Until the next video, I hope you guys have an absolutely phenomenal day. And I am out. Peace.